something about food from a food truck that just tastes so much better. Just tastes so much better. It's something like, there's no way you could make it at home, right? It just got to be made in a truck. Oh, this food truck. Yeah, so I guess that's what this place is. A little food, a little bar. Look at this outdoor bar, though. Like, this is sweet. Another 40 million? Yeah, this is literally on the harbor, and it's an outdoor bar. Like, this is something special. So, I'm doing an acai bowl or acai bowl, whatever people call it or pronounce it, for my lunch. And that's what we got. And dude, these things, last time I had one of these was like 2 years ago in California. There's just no good acai bowls or anything related in anywhere in the Midwest, especially not Indiana. So granola in this thing, peanut butter, I mean, dude, or Nutella, bananas, coconut, strawberries. This is just, I mean, this is good food, bro. This is good food. Seriously, if you've never had one of these, you're just kind of missing out. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's great. I'm also a big fruit person. I don't know who here likes fruit, but I mean, if you like fruit, God bless America. Yeah. Yeah, this is a cool little spot. Yeah. I feel like most decent spots or cool places, you always gotta pay. I feel like you always gotta pay. So it's nice to have something cool like this outdoors that you're just paying for your food, right? That's how it should be. Yeah, I said that was scary because I popped open my phone and it said there was an email from the FAA, and I was like, ah, shit. Like, what are the odds of that, right? I was like, oh no, I'm in trouble. But no, it was just a survey. A survey. It's randomly. I had to get clearance and airspace to fly and at the beach because of the airport nearby. Then I magically get an email from the FAA about shit my pants. So I'm pretty sure for the rest of my life I'm gonna be taking at least one trip out of town during the winter. So I don't know. I've grown up in Indiana my whole life. It's cold winters, snowy winters. Sunlight is low from the tilt of the earth. I don't want to get too technical on y'all, but the time of the year there's less sunlight, and that was honestly the whole idea of me taking this trip, was just to get out of town, see the sun, be outdoors, be in nature, right? And just live my best life. So that's what I'm trying to do here. And it really gives me a good opportunity to talk to you, to film more content, get more comfortable with the camera, with the filming, and getting some good shots. So Naples is one of the more rich areas or rich cities in Florida, so we're told. And the strip we're on now near the Gulf, near the ocean, is they call it Millionaire's Row, so we're gonna get some footage out here. So if you've ever wondered what it's like buying a multi-million-dollar house down in expensive Florida, well, there you have it. What's your favorite part of the water?
Houses, dolphins.
That's $295 million houses?
Yep.
I'm trying to stay under 200 million for my next house. So 295 ain't gonna cut it. I will say this, there's no way I'm staying up in the Arctic tundra where I grew up every winter, all winter long. It's too warm, it's too nice. And I mean, dude, take a look. It's just too good. It's too good. I mean, life's too short to be stuck in your 9 to 5, staying in your same routine, same places, same food. I mean, get out a little bit, right? Come on.
Every single day.
Oh, thank you.
Food menu, ice cream, whatever you guys need.
Awesome.
And we also have beer and wine.
All right.
Sounds
great.
Thank you. Well, we decided to do a boat tour today, as touristy as that sounds, but you take a look around and we got it going on here, so we're getting ready to depart here shortly. Now, I've also had a lot of questions recently about this channel, about the future of this channel, and I've addressed it in pieces, but I don't think in full. Taking you guys on adventures like this is a bit more of my passion, is being creative, is being out in the world, is seeing places, is doing things. And not that gaming isn't great, but I think we're gonna be limiting that a little bit more. We're gonna keep gaming, yes, we're gonna game, just not full time, okay? We're not gonna stream full time. We're gonna be going on adventures around the country, around the world, to show you guys stuff like this.
It truly is a vacation.
Listen to me carefully, I'm adamant. Say it with my chest, no, I'm passionate. Waving goodbye while I'm laughing. Behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little more. Seen this all before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little more. You're gonna have to do a little more. I've seen this one for sure, you don't like the way it goes on. Gotta do a little bit more. Gotta do a little more. Seen this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little bit more. You're gonna have to do a little more. Seen this one for sure, I don't like the way it goes on. Gotta have to do it. Gotta do a little bit more. Gotta do a little more. Seen this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more.
So this'll basically wrap up the trip in Florida. Definitely gonna be back soon. I mean, you can see exactly why I want to come back. Beautiful place, beautiful people. I mean, these homes, it's about as good as you can get, man. It's about as good as you can get. So, hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.
You say you're gonna do but don't do it. I've had enough, gotta keep moving. So if you really want, you gotta show it.